located in Manikgonj, and it's a very renowned factory in our country.
Of the warm acoustic guitar, blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore.
At first, I want to share some information about the factory with you all.
Through the breeze, creating a soothing rhythm that mirrors the ocean.
Tarasima Apparels is a fashion and apparel factory. It's established since 2005 and it is located in Manikgonj. Tarasima has LEED Platinum certification and it is the highest rated kin factory as far as existing structures are concerned.
Escape.
Tal specializes in denim and non-denim bottoms, while it also has the latest wet processing and dry processing capabilities.
Into an untouched paradise.
The highest scoring LEED certified factories in Bangladesh were Tarasima Apparels Ltd. It's the manufacturer of ready-made clothing with a washing facility. The headquarters of the clothing and fashion company Tarasima Apparels Ltd is in Dhaka. It belongs to the Bitopi Group sibling company. Tarasima Apparels Ltd received recognition from the 2019 IPDC Bangladesh Supply Chain Excellence Awards in Supply Chain Sustainability. It's really visible that the authority of this company is really caring about their maintenance.
Blend with the gentle sound of the waves
And
crashing
every time it makes me happy with its greenery, beautiful view.
Melody weaves through the breeze, creating a soothing rhythm that mirrors the ocean's ebb and flow. The sound of distant gulls and the rolling tide add layers to the tranquil sense tape of this coastal escape. Let the music guide you into an untouched paradise where stress
Look at the calm
dissolves
and
like
coolness of the
footprints
lakeside
in
view,
the sand.
where I can sit for several hours. It's really eye-soothing. satisfied to get lots of benefits such as canteen, daycare center for their kids, and fair price shop.
And the rolling tide add layers to the tranquil sense tape of this coastal escape. Let the music guide you into an untouched paradise where stress dissolves like footprints in the sand.
Bye bye from this beautiful, amazing factory. I will come back once again, inshallah. Hope you all will be fine, and please connected and stay tuned with us.
আপনারা না বোঝাতে উঠেন